When your innovations could save lives, protect soldiers, or change the world, every day matters. That's why we built Modus Advanced differently. Modus's core competencies are really pretty simple. It starts with our people and the values and the principles in which our people operate by. So in order to align well with the space and defense industries, you have to have the folks that understand the mission of our customers.
What I believe sets us apart from all of our competitors is the amount that all of our engineers and quality department actually care about the parts that we're making that go into our customers' equipment.
What sets Modus apart from all of our competitors, it's a combination of vertical integration, engineering expertise, and a technically apt sales team, and a sort of customer service-oriented approach.
With over 10% of our staff being engineers, we start every project with engineering insight. From initial design through production, you work directly with technical experts who understand what's at stake.
Our customers have direct access to the engineering team from day one all the way through the manufacturing process. So really it's support from end to end. And again, our customers are developing really innovative, cutting-edge products. And so they need a level of engineering support to make sure that they get their products manufactured correctly and according to all the quality standards.
We ensure that our quality and manufacturing engineers are part of the process from the very beginning. This is to ensure that the part is not only manufacturable, and we've assessed all feasibility concerns, but that quality is driving a process that adheres to all the customer's requirements. We can ensure that we're having parts measured effectively and we're delivering materials on time.
10 core manufacturing processes, thousands of material options, one partner to bring it all together. From CNC machining to FIP gasket dispensing, from thermal management to EMI shielding, everything you need is under one roof. A key value that our customers see in Modus is the fact that we are highly vertically integrated and we will manage the project from cradle to grave. It vastly reduces the risk of the project by us handling all of the responsibility from shipping, receiving, quality control, and the manufacturability that we do here in-house until we deliver a turnkey product to the customer.
We're able to move quickly but also control everything from end to end, and that all flows through our strict quality standards of AS9100, and oftentimes that results in us able to deliver product weeks in advance of our competitors.
We're ITAR certified, we are AS9100 certified, and we are working to get CMMC Level 2 certified as soon as requirements start to be rolled out.
We've refined our processes to ensure that our customers get the products they need as quickly as possible, and every second can mean the difference between life or death or success or failure for our customers. Partner with Modus Advanced to bring your innovations to market sooner, because one day matters.